public, not one that is technical or very scholarly in terms of research background type of thing, but something that has given him the chance to share his insights into how Mahaweli project functioned. And I'm very happy that we have today the chance to launch this book, and I wish both him and the book a great deal of success in the coming months and years. Thank you very much, Senator, for inviting me.
Thank you, Professor Das. Last but not least, I warmly invite Mrs. Senaka Samarasinghe to deliver the vote of thanks.
Good evening. Honorable Sir, all speakers of the table, ladies and gentlemen, as we come to the close of this event, it's my pleasure to deliver the vote of thanks to all who have helped to take this event a success. I would like to extend very heartily vote of thanks to Venerable Tirukunamale Ananda Annayakathero for his Anusasana. And other speakers of the head table. From the stage of preparing the list of invitees and posting invitation cards, my wife Chandani helped me. Therefore, I would like to thank you, Chandani. Today, I stand before a congregation of senior executives and colleagues of mine in Mahaweli Authority of Sri Lanka, my relations, my friends, and also my Chandani's friends, classmates of my school Nalanda, batchmates of and faculty members of Colombo University, alumni of AIT Bangkok, trustees of Dharmajaya Foundation, members of Vajrarama Karyasadhaka Samitiya, staff members of Central Environmental Authority, and members of Institute of Environmental Professionals Sri Lanka, where at present I am working. There is a special invitee, Mr. J.S.J.M. Gunapala from Gudivilla Palace, Girandrakotte. It's about 15 kilometers north of Girandrakotte. When the land alienation was done in 1983, his father got a block of land in Gudivilla Palace. That's half an acre homestead and half 2 acre paddy. Mr. Gunapala is the second generation family member of System C Girandrakotte. Mr. Gunapala was arranged by my brother-in-law, Mr. Kumar Samarasinghe. Thank you, Kumar. I thank all these invitees present here for accepting our invitation and spending our precious time with you. Sincere thanks to my niece, Shamali Jayatunga, for obliging me to come to this event. My special thanks to Chamara Kulatheka for preparing presentation boxes to present the book to all the table members. It is necessary to mention that Mrs. Rukmani Kumarajiva gifted flowers to keep the head table and decorate the podium. Rukmani, thank you very much. My cousin Ravi Kumarage donated funds for this event. I like to utilize this for buying books from the press, Stanford Lake Limited. Thank you, Ravi. When I came to the Mahavali Center on 3rd, 2012 with Chandani, I came to know the elevator was not completed. On Monday the 6th, I requested Engineer Nihal Rupasinghe, Chairman CCB, to have it ready for this event. He allocated his staff and worked day and night and completed as scheduled. Today, he is busy with his official duty out of Colombo. I would like to convey my sincere thanks to Engineer Rupasinghe and his staff. Members of media, I take this opportunity to thank the members of media for their interest of covering this event. Finally, I would like to thank the staff members of Mahavali Center and catering personnel. Once again, I want to state that I am most grateful to all speakers at the head table, including Venerable Tirukonamalai Ananda Thera. Sharp at 3 p.m., I received a bouquet of flowers from Canada sent by my only child, Rohanthi, my son-in-law, Suranga, my 2 granddaughters, namely Chamati, I call her Sudu, and Senuri, I call her Kiri. It was a surprise for me. Thank all of you for sending bunch of flowers to grace the occasion. I thank you for being with us this evening. It has been a great pleasure. By mistake, if I have not thanked anybody, please bear with me. Thank you very much. I would like to invite you for tea after the national anthem. Please rise for the national anthem.